Streets feel narrow, ground pulls back. Every step asks more than I have. Marks in the glass, I don't look down. Bent by the strain, still I stay bound. I've hit the floor, felt silence close. Learn what remains when strength is low. No loud claims, no borrowed fire. I stand again, what's left inside. Hands unsteady, focused then. Still I choose to step back in. Not untouched, not made of stone. I keep form when I'm alone. I fall, I rise, I hold the line. Scars stay still, spine aligned. I'm not fixed, but I don't bend.